Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do something a little bit different, a little fun. I got some random figures behind these doors, if you will. And what I'm going to do is roll this dice, this four-sided dice, and whatever it lands on, we will open. So stick around. Okay, I have the four-sided dice in my hand. Let's see what the dice says we should open. That is the number, no magic here, 2. Alright guys, the dice have spoken and the dice have chosen to open figure number 2. Drum roll, please. Barb from Stranger Things. Fan favorite Barb. Yeah, this is it's actually my fan favorite. Not really sure if she's actually dead in the series yet. Spoiler alert: she looked dead in the first season. Or does it bleed into the second season? I'm not sure. I have to rewatch. Probably need to rewatch. But as you can see, my personal favorite character. I hope she comes back. A really good, everyday person's hero in my book. Definitely the sweetest character in the cast. So, all right, Barb, this one's for you. Let's just look at the set here. She's actually placed with a more current 11 here. Yeah, very cool show, as you know, on Netflix. Let's crack it open. Okay, there she is. So Barb, pretty detailed, as you can see. Nice, I guess, plaid or tartan looking shirt. She has these pretty cool looking glasses. She comes with her Trapper Keeper and a soda, it looks like. Oh no, it's a beer can, actually. So if you people are looking for accessories, we got a beer can here. I actually think McFarlane kind of outdid themselves with the detail on these figures. I haven't picked up the others yet. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, if you picked up any of the Stranger Things. I'm gonna have to use a pair of scissors for this. I blame all you shoplifters out there making this difficult for us unboxers. Not damage the figure, please. Yeah, this is pretty tight on there. Come on. Wow, I can't even get behind that. There you go. Let's see if I can just snap that off. There we go. Alright, Barb is out. She comes with a nice little stand here. Stranger Things stand. Very nice. 1 foot peg foothold. Some articulation, but as you know, most McFarlane figures are, they're really hard plastic and hard to move, which is okay. Probably not gonna pose her in any action poses, really. Yeah, it's a really tight leg joint. I'm not even gonna bother. Yeah, Barb was my hero in Stranger Things. I hope they figure out a way to bring her back. But I have her in my hands. So here's the beer can. I don't know if you can see that. My light. I gotta work on this light. I apologize. Beer can. Wonder if it fits in her hand. think they were at a party, and she was drinking beer with, and Billy showed up and all that stuff. Oops, sorry, Barb. Yeah, now I'm misremembering. I should rewatch the first two. The third one was pretty good. Getting pretty serious. Here's our Trapper Keeper. Pretty accurate for the time. 80s, mid-80s. Let's see how it looks in her hand. I wonder what that peg is for. It's like a little peg. I don't think it goes anywhere, but... Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. So there's a peg in the book. A peg hole in the book. Right there. And then there's a peg in Barb's hand. So it'll sit more comfortably, but I don't know. The peg hole looks a little too small for it. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hey, what do you know? It works. So action pose with Trapper Keeper. There you go, Barb. She's about 6-inch scale, or 1/12, if you will. Let's put her next to Thor. Put her next to Thor. So yeah, so about a 6-inch figure. Just cool to have a beer. Should put it in Thor's hand since he drinks beer. Cool. Barb from Stranger Things. Yeah, I've been wanting to get this one. Everyone else, you know, is kind of course, everyone wants Will and 11, but, you know, to me, Barb was the hero. So I'm kind of glad that the dice fell on her number tonight. Yeah, so I thought this would have been, this would be fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. We'll do another mystery unboxing. This time it was a 4-sided dice. Maybe I'll do a 6-sided for the next one. Who knows? I really don't have a lot of room on my shelf here to do that video, so I'll need to figure out something else. But a D4 worked just fine. So yeah, let me know what you think of this random unboxing. Just trying to do something new. I appreciate all the subscriptions and likes and follows and comments. You know, I want to do better content, and I want to get just get better at this in general. So thanks again for the eyes and the ears. Till the next video. Of course, I'm still doing the Build-A-Figure with the Wendigo, so definitely check those out too. I think I'm on video 3 coming up. I'll try to get that out in the next week or so. Just trying to do this when I have time and have the energy. So I'm sure you guys that make videos understand. Again, thank you for following. Thank you for watching. And till the next dice roll and the next video.